There we go, marine warning. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, let's go. There goes my Sanjian.
Tampa Bay waters until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Hillsborough Bay, moving southwest at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source.
What is so loud?
Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours.
It's on
Make sure
KEC38.
all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Port Manatee Reef,
Oh, they activated
Tampa
at the
Bay,
same time.
Close Bay, Hillsborough Bay, and Gandy Bridge.
Gotta unbox this. Alright, I knew that was gonna happen.